Hey guys, so I was about to go to the pool, but unfortunately this happened. Ugh, you gotta love that rainy season. So what's a girl to do? Well, make a cocktail, of course. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a spicy jalapeno-infused Manila Mangorita. Follow me into the kitchen. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about are the mangoes here in Manila. This is probably the best fruit here in the Philippines. It is so sweet and juicy and amazing. It's called a carabao mango. However, they also call it Manila mango. That's why I'm naming this drink a Manila Mangorita. Now these mangoes are really rich in vitamin A, vitamin C. They're good for your skin, your eyes. They're all around a great, delicious fruit, but they are high in sugar. So we are not adding any other sugar besides the fruit itself and whatever's in the liquor that we're using. So here's a couple tips for before starting your drink. You're gonna wanna put your margarita glass or whatever glass you're using in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes, just to get a nice chill on the glass. This already looks good and there's nothing in it. So you wanna do that, and you also wanna take your frozen mango out of the freezer. So what I do is if I have a mango that's really ripe and I don't feel like eating it, I will go ahead and chop it up into cubes and then I'll just put it in the freezer. And that's what we're gonna use for this drink, one frozen mango. So it'll look like this after it's thawed out for about 20 minutes. Okay, the next step is to rim your glass. So this is gonna be a really fancy, fun rim. We are using a half a teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. And you're just gonna mix these three together. Mixing. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all mixed. Okay, so then you're gonna take another plate and you are going to put some Calamansi juice. Okay, so then you're gonna dip your glass in your Calamansi juice. You could also use water for this. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and dip it right in here. And then you're gonna take your powder mixture that you just created and dip it in there. Just wanna get it all on the edges. There you go. So that looks super good already. Okay, so now it's time to take out your blender. Okay, so now you're gonna add your 1 cup or 170 grams of frozen mango. So if you're using fresh mango, I would definitely add a cup of ice in addition to the fresh mango because you want it to be nice and cold. I love this recipe because you're not diluting it at all, just the frozen mango. So no like added water or ice or anything like that. The next ingredient we're gonna add is Calamansi juice. So we like to juice our calamansis in bulk just because it's kind of tedious process. So we're gonna add 1 ounce of the Calamansi juice. We're now adding 1 ounce of Cointreau. This is an orange liqueur. If you have Grand Marnier, you can use that as well, or triple sec. You gotta pour it over the thing, over the blender. And this is why my husband likes this drink. If we didn't have this, it would just be like a sugary, more of like a sweet girly drink. But this is a jalapeno-infused tequila. What you do is you take a whole bottle of tequila and then you cut up a jalapeno and cut it in lengthwise and just put the whole thing, like the seeds, everything, right into a bottle like this. You let it sit for about 8 to 10 hours or like overnight, whatever you wanna do. And if you love spicy and you want it even more spicy, you can do 2 jalapenos if you'd like. But we only did 1, it still does a trick. And then you just drain it and you can keep it for up to 1 year. So we've actually used this quite a bit. We make our regular margaritas with this tequila as well, and it just takes it up a notch to another level. So with this recipe, we are putting 2 ounces of tequila in our blender. Okay, so it is time to go ahead and blend this thing up. Okay guys, so there you have it, a perfect Manila Mangorita. This is so good. Such a delicious drink. really sweet, but has that spice at the end, the little kick. It's really good, and I love how the rim tastes with the mango. The chili and mango is like a perfect combination. So I hope you guys get to try this drink and definitely enjoy it, and let me know what you think. Thanks everyone, bye.